Your trunk was over the line. Try again. Doesn't count. Your ear was over the line. Sorry, your tusk.
Nice shot.
Hey, what are you doing there?
Hiding my meal for safekeeping. Tucking in your covers for safekeeping.
You overprotective nut. I haven't fallen out of bed since Tuesday.
Yeah, see ya.
Morning already? I hardly slept a wink. What in the world could keep a sound sleeper like me up all night? I laid an egg. I laid an egg! Whoa! I laid an egg! I laid an egg!
Suddenly, I feel like an omelet.
Behold, the Dodo child!
Shut up, you idiot! We're trying to sleep!
Boiled with a little parsley garnish.
Not me. I like my eggs poached, smeared in cayenne pepper, and dipped in dill seed.
Raw. Rolled in ginger mint.
You guys, guess what this is?
Crunch.
Hey, quit crowding him. All that yapping will give him a chill. There, that should do it. You're looking at the newest twig on my family tree.
Nope. I'm looking at an omelet.
Do you know what this egg means? Do you have any idea of the consequences of such a remarkable thing? I'm not the last of my kind. I have an heir. All that is Dodo doesn't end with me.
That's ridiculous, Dodo. You can't lay an egg.
I know someone who won't be babysitting anytime soon.
So, we eating that egg or what?
What's Dodo doing now?
I think he's building a nest.
Kid'll need his own room. I don't want to be one of those dads that hovers over his every move, listening to his every word. Now, where can I hide the surveillance equipment?
How do you make an omelet, Eugene?
First, you beat the egg. Beat it. Bam.
What are you doing?
Building my little guy his own place.
Shouldn't you be building a nest to hatch the egg in first?
Of course! What am I doing? He doesn't need his own place yet. He needs a nest.
Anybody in there? Why is it locked? That's just not the freeborn way.
Lyle, what are you doing?
Why is this door locked? What's behind it? I've gotta know.
Why ruin it for him?
What if he asks me those kid questions that drive parents nuts, like, after you finish your donut, where does the hole go? And when they invented the first clock, how'd they know what time it was? And I'll have to prepare him for the inevitable taunts. But I'll show him by example that any quick-thinking Dodo can get himself airborne. For instance, carbonated flavored sugar water. Absolutely, positively no real juice included. Perfect. Watch the kid a minute. No, sir. A Dodo never misses an opportunity to show his ingenuity. Not good.
What was that?
What was what?
Sounded like someone screaming. Told ya he was on to us.
What have you got in there? What are you trying to hide? I don't really care for the rough stuff, but you asked for it. You think you're smarter than me, but you're not. You're made of wood, and I shouldn't sound like that.
Lyle, are you all right?
Never better.
It's okay to make mistakes as long as you learn not to repeat them. And it's never too early to start appreciating great literature. So I brought these along to read aloud to you. The Wizard of Oz, Cat in the Vat, and New's favorite, Fiddler on the Hoop.
That reminds me, I have to do my grocery shopping.
What's the matter with everyone? He's not egg salad. He's an egg. He's got a name.
Oh, yeah? What are you calling him?
I don't know yet. This dad business is a lot tougher than I thought.
It's none of my business, Dodo. But aren't you crowding that thing a little bit?
You think I'm spoiling him? I am spoiling him.
It might explain why he hasn't left that shell yet.
What's the matter with me? I could leave him for a little while if I had a sitter I could trust.
I'm sure you'll come up with someone. I'm on a mango hunt.
Okay, easy now. Easy, easy. If you're serious about babysitting Junior here, you're going to have to prove you can do the job.
Told you I wouldn't break.
No! Get up! Get up! It's okay. It's okay. He looks fine. I wonder what made that noise.
Beats me.
Why, the long face.
What should be the proudest moment of my life has turned into a nightmare. And another thing.
Oh, what's that?
Give me back my egg! You broke it.
I think it's hatching.
Oh, right. It's hatching. It's hatching! Ah! My kid's feet come out of his head!
He's upside down.
Oh, right.
That thing's got more leg than a bucket of chicken. I think it's time you and I discuss curfew.
Quiet! I think he's trying to say something.
I don't hear anything.
Listen, little fella. I know you're confused.
Now I'm confused.
Son!
Oh, yeah, like we're related. Wow, check out the walking zip code.
Talk about breaking out of your shell.
I taught him everything he knows. That's it, little fella. Make gravity your friend. Thanks for trying to cheer me up, guys.
My turn to sit on the egg.
Excuse me, Bub, which way's south? Hey, shut the door and you'll cause a draft.
Help! I'm locked in! Help! Can anybody hear me out there?
Come one, come all to the Freeborn Fair! Fun and games! Ooh, cotton candy. Huh? Hey, look! I want a stuffed duck!
Oops.
Hold still. I don't want to hit one of the ducks.